One of the most elegant things that you can do is to stitch tone on tone. What am I talking about here? We're talking about taking any design that you have that might be multiple colors, but stitching it as one continuous color and then doing it on the exact same color of fabric. So right here we have black stitching on black fabric. It looks so much better in person, trust me. But I want to show you on the Bernina 790 where you can pull up a design and change it to this one color or monochrome option so you don't have to stop and keep touching the start button every time it thinks it needs a color change. So first off, we're just going to pick a built-in design. These are in the folder number 5 here, which has a variety of flowers, and I just selected the first design. When you're ready to stitch it out, touch the needle and thread, and then as the hoop moves into position, you will see that you'll be brought over to the embroidery stitch out screen. Now, right down here, we do see where we have multiple color stops. So after every color, it is stopping. There's just 4 colors in here. But you can go right to this function where it has the row of colors and an arrow, and it touches into a row of no particular colors. That way, when that is touched, it's just going to stitch all the way through from color 1 through color 4 without stopping. So it's actually kind of a time saver. There is a time where I'll turn that on just when I don't need it to stop, or I want to continue through the next 3 or 4 colors all with the same color. Now do remember that when you are doing like an in the hoop project, that is not the time and place to turn this on, because usually it's stopping because you need to add a piece of fabric or add a zipper or add a piece of ribbon or something. So usually those are the times where you don't want to turn this on. But when you are looking to do something very, very elegant, keep in mind what one color design that was a multicolor design will look like on the same color of fabric. Try it out and tell me if you love how monochrome designs look.